To my CS50 Python final project. So this is a steganography tool that hides the data in the images. So let's get started. So here I have my project.py file. This is the text. Project.py file, these are requirements. I'm using a pillow library for image manipulation, a bit array library for manipulating the bits, and this is my readme.md file, and this is the test image.png in which we are going to hide data today. So let's get started. We're going for like Python 3, and the main file our is going to be project.py, and then we are going to hide data at first. So we are raising the flag of hide, and then we are mentioning the input image file with option or flag -i, and here we will mention the test underscore image dot png file, because we are going to hide our text or data in this test image.png. So then we are going to raise the flag of -text, and in this the test we are going to hide in this is going to be, this is CS50 Python, and that's it. So we're going to hide that text in the png file, and then we are going to place and then we are going to output that image with the hidden data in the file name output.png. so that's it. Let's run it. So it successfully run it, didn't shows anything, and here we can see that output.png file is created. So we are going to like open the output.png file, and as you see it's same, like nothing changes, same as that. But let me remove the test image.png, test underscore image.png. so I have removed that file, test underscore image. Now I have only the output.png file, and now we are going to retrieve the text. This is CS50 Python from this output.png, because that is somewhere hiding in the pixel values of that image. So let me do that. Python 3. Now we are going to recover the data, so we will raise the recover flag and the input image -i input output, because our data is hidden in output.png, and then we are going to mention the -o output text file in which we want the retrieved text data. So that is I think I would say show.txt. So if I run it, says no such file or directory. Oh, I messed up. So I should mention here project.py here, raising the recover flag, output.png, getting data from output.png, and storing the text retrieved data in the .text file. Also note that I don't have the test image.png file. Now I have only the output.png from which I am recovering the data. So that goes like this, and we have got the show.text file that is 20 bytes long. And if I go and open show.text, and this is CS50 Python, we have successfully retrieved the data. Voila. That was my final project, a steganography tool hiding data in images. That was CS50 Python.